Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month, we will be continuing to make more drinks, but for this month's theme, we will be doing a second round of Juiceless July, where we'll be focusing on 5 different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making a Yakult Soju Cocktail. For this recipe, you will need 2 bottles of Yakult or another type of probiotic yogurt drink, 1 bottle of soju. I recommend the yogurt flavor to really emphasize the flavor of the Yakult, but any flavor should work. A little bit of Chilsung Cider for the authentic recipe, or Sprite, 7-Up, or any other lemon lime soda as a substitute. You can also fully substitute the soju with the lemon lime drink if a non-alcoholic version is desired. And you will need some ice if you wish. This is enough for 2 to 4 servings, so adjust as needed. First, in a serving jug, add in some ice to keep your drink cool. Then, give your Yakult bottles a shake, and then add it into your serving jug. Next, pour in your bottle of soju, and then top this off with some of your Sprite. Give this a mix, pour it into a glass with some ice if desired, and your Yakult Soju Cocktail is ready to drink. I've been a fan of Yakult ever since I was a child. Though this drink has definitely become more popular in the West, I always enjoyed the sweet citrus and vanilla drink while visiting family in Asia. So when I saw that this recipe existed, I knew that I had to make a video about it. Yakult, for those who don't know, is a creamy and citrusy probiotic drink originating from Japan, created by Dr. Minoru Shirota in the 1930s. This drink's popularity quickly spread throughout most of Asia and eventually made its way to America and Europe in the 90s. And now, this drink can be found in most retail stores across America, even at Walmart. And it has even become popular enough to be featured in the Netflix movie To All the Boys I've Loved Before.
Oh wow, that is really good.
So I thought it would be fun to show a way to use this now more common ingredient in a recipe. This particular recipe is not all that complicated, but you can easily modify it by adding in some fruit to add in some more sweet complexity as well as adding some color. And you can even change the flavor of the soju to further emphasize this addition. There are also actually different Yakult flavors than just the original, such as grape and grey apple, but apparently they're only available in Singapore for some reason, though there might be other similar brands with other flavors that you might want to experiment with. Speaking of experimenting, the ratio of the liquids used to make this drink can be adjusted to your preferences, so definitely add more soju if you want a stronger drink, more Yakult for the creamy vanilla flavor, or more Sprite for the lemon lime flavor. But regardless of your ratios, this creamy sweet vanilla lemon lime drink will definitely hit the spot at your next summer barbecue. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel.